All right, I grabbed the tools I need. So far we got the pin out. Next we got to get these lines off and then take this canister off. So this is 11/16. Okay, 11/16 and a 3/4. Okay, let's try to break this loose. Oh my gosh. I should swivel. Trying to work it back and forth. But wow. She's tight. Alright, let's try to hold this. 16th again. See if we can hold. Shoot. Where's my 3/4? Oh, I'm using that. One sec. See if we can't hold this. Okay. Should I break it loose now? See, this thing should spin freely. It's so rusted. But it will probably start spinning. See this right here? This should spin, so you can just spin it on, but it's seized up in there. If I get it off, I could free it up after. Just come. It's just twisting the hose right now. That's the problem. Let's see. I gotta hold that. Maybe if I hold that and then get a wrench on here, it will help. This is the kind of stuff you got to deal with. But messing with rusted stuff. So we want to try to hold the top. Is that wrench on there right? All right. I don't like how the wrench is not going all the way up. Okay, I like that way better. Now let's take this. Oh, I think it freed up. Okay, guys, that's what. See, it was just mainly getting a wrench on there. Now it's freed up. Now this will spin way better. You can see you need to be careful with these fittings. These fittings have to be reused. You need to be careful with these fittings. Well, actually, let's take the top one out first, so it's not flopping all around when I'm trying to do it with a wrench. Top one has to come off with a wrench, because I can't fit the socket up in there. So they're 15/16, and probably use the open end. And this one can come off with impact. Okay. Now, double check, make sure you got everything released. This whole thing should come right off. Alright, you're gonna have to get a hammer. That's it, and that's it. All right. Now this should pull out straight. And that's how you take a canister off. Let's take a look at where it was leaking. I seen this coming out yesterday pretty well. And it was pretty rusted around here. I think it was on one of these somewhere. Maybe back in here, but anyway, yeah. I mean, it's these. I'm gonna end up doing all of them on this truck because these are just bad. All right, I have to go to a parts store. I'm gonna buy 4 new ones. I think they're around $50 to $60 a piece. And I will be back and we'll put it on. All right, so I got the new part. Let's see. So we want to oil all this up good because we got to take this off, put it on here. We got to cut this down. So make sure everything's oiled up. You got to take off. This nut can stay on. All right, so I got my tape. You want to take the threads that are here. So this is right there. You want to be. Yeah. Okay, so it's 7/8. That's what this is. And you may see that these are pretty bad. I mean, there's nothing, but this should be out there. I mean, these are totally shot, so they probably should have been replaced before, but. All right, let's get this cut off now. This is probably the best way to do this. They're extremely tight. Wow. You see how tight this is? I may have to heat it up. Wow. Okay. Guys, I don't know if you noticed, I was going the wrong way. That was pretty dumb of me. So, when I was just trying to unloosen this thing, I wouldn't say I was going the wrong way, but this nut here go this way with. I mean, you can see it's extreme. You go that way with it. Because what that does, that pushes against here, but it's actually separate. So I was trying to spin the whole entire thing off. This is the easiest way to do it. Just break that nut loose, go the opposite way. So tighten this nut, and then take this off. But we got it, so that's all that matters. Probably right there. Let's just double check it. Perfect. All right. are fittings. These fittings have to come out. So you should always go like this. Get started. It's always hard to start this stuff, but once you should be able to roll it right around on your thumb. This is kind of sloppy. Just more money you spend on this tape, the better. This is some cheap tape. That 11mm. Okay, let's see if we can unloosen these to get that to fall in position. I bring you guys back over here. You unloosen this, you bring it right back. And you're able to get the pin back in that way. All right. Almost good. Okay. Make sure the cotter pit fits nice and snug. This is the biggest one that's in the kit. See how nice that fits? Now we got to get these lined up and get these lines on. So we don't want anything rubbing, so make sure you get it in the right spot here. And I can tell you right now that's going to rub that frame. I want it up here. So let's take this and spin it to the top. Rubbing all over the place. Pin, cotter pin, 2 bolts, a couple hoses, you're in business. So that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you know when I'm putting new stuff on for notification. And also, if you liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up for the like. I'll see you on the next one.